Hello everyone, this is a 2010 Toyota Corolla, and there's some noise coming from here, from the alternator side I believe, so I'm not sure. So I'm going to check that is alternator or is water pump noise. So I'm going to start and you will listen the noise. Okay. So first we're going to remove this cover, just like from this side, and this side. Pull it up. Okay, so I'm going to open this, loose this alternator. This is, you can see this is 12 millimeter socket here, 12 millimeter. So see, and there's one bolt right there. It's right there. You can see here. So I'm going to lose it, took off the belt, and then I will see if it's the alternator or no. Okay, so once we lose this tensioner and the other bolt over there, then there is one bolt here, right here where my finger is. See, right here, right here. So that's, we're going to lose it. It's right here. So once you lose that, you can take off the belt. Okay, so I just lose that bolt, and if you keep moving that, you can see the belt is getting loose. And so I just checked, the alternator looks good. The noise is coming from the water pump. So we have to replace the water pump. So in order to remove the alternator, we have to take out this wire here and this harness before we lose the alternator. Okay, so I just pushed on this side, and then this thing, harnesses, just came off, and we're going to remove this. Hold on one second. So after you remove these harnesses, in order to remove this, just pull this cap upward on your right hand side like this, and like this, and it will pop out. Okay, so just pull it like on your right like this, and it will pop out, and then there is a bolt here. Just lose this. And there's one more bolt here. I have to lose that, and then I'll be able to take this out. So I just put a pipe on the coolant drain flush there, right there. I don't know if you can see it right there, and I put it here, and I slightly open it so that I can save all the coolant, and just open a little bit, and slowly it will, you can see slowly it's coming out. So I'll empty this before I replace the water pump. Okay, so I got this bolt out from here. I just took it out from here, and now I can move the alternator out. So lose this, leave this here, just have to open this bolt. Okay, so got this bolt out. This is the bolt, and this thing out. Now you can move the alternator easily. Before that is just stuck here. There's one bolt here that's holding the wiring. So that's the wire was attached here. You just have to push this side here on your right hand side and pull the wire out. It will pop out from this hook, so you don't need to open this bolt. Okay, so I got the bolt out, and now I can pull out the alternator here. So this is the alternator out of the way. Now we have 5 bolts here, and see, okay, so I opened all 5 bolts. There are 5 there. 1 is here, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th one is here. Okay, so these 5 bolts I'm opening. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's the 5th one. Just got the pump out right there. You can see this is the old one, and we will see here. So this is the old one, this is the new one, and this way. So we will match it up. looks the same. If I put like this, so these two here, one there, and one there, so it looks the same. So we're going to install that, and as you can see, this is the new sealing for this one, and here is the old one. I believe it's just right there. Actually it's right in there, the old one. So I'm going to take it out and then I put it. Okay, so this is the new one, putting in back here. And that was the one. See, the bolts are a little different, you can see. So I just put it in a circle like this, so I don't forget where I'm putting it. This is on the side, this on the top, these two on the side, and this is on the bottom. So it goes like this. Now I'm going to be putting the bottom one first. Okay guys, so I put all the screws there. The longer one, two longer ones goes in here, and the smaller ones goes here. So don't forget which one is going where, and just remember that. And when you tied it little bit like this one, and this one, and the bottom one, and just make a circle and keep tightening it up like this clockwise, or this like this. From the opposite side, make a star while you're tightening it up. Okay, so I just put the alternator back, and I'm just going to put the bolts and everything and the wiring the same way I took it off. So the same way, this bigger bolt is going underneath here, right here, and then the smaller bolt going in here, and then this tensioner will be going on the top. Okay guys, I just installed the alternator and everything looks good. So this is the belt, and when you open the belt, just take a picture that what is the pattern of the belt. So I did. So you just take a picture before you opening it. So basically it's just going from here and is going on the top of this water pump pulley, and then it goes back to that one. So it making like kind of this circle. Okay guys, so I just started up and filled up the coolant from here, and when you fill up the coolant, let the air comes out. You start up, first fill up everything and then slowly fill up the coolant, and leave the cap off before it gets hot. Just let the air comes out from the system. See the air bubbles coming out? So once they all come out, just put the cap back. So everything looks good. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.